Alright, so here's another update of the power washing. This side of the deck was light grime. This side of the deck, as you can see, is heavy grime. And you can see I'm halfway through the pass here, and it's working great. I use the attachment to spray it with soap. Also from Harbor Freight, and let it sit a few minutes. And then when I'm using this, it's not heavy at all because that just sits on the deck. It's on some brushes, and it slides on some brushes. And there's a spinner underneath that's spraying, and you just inch along, nice and slow, slow. And it takes it off real nice. The slower you go, the better it cleans, and I'm very impressed so far. In fact, what I'm going to do, see if I can do this with the camera rolling. I'm going to try to give you a live demonstration. I'm going to go in a different direction. So like I said, you just inch it along. That's as slow as I'm going. Just inch it along. Look at that. There's a few years worth of grime right there. So yeah, just go nice and slow. Pull it back. Get any spots I missed. And there you have it. I am so impressed with this, I can hardly stand it. Just thick, deep grime, and look at that. So what I've got is the Bauer 2300 PSI electric power washer. It's got a brushless motor. And very impressed. I did this one of the sides of the garage the other day with it, and it's got this soap container, which I don't use. I just take this out of here, the straw out of here, and put it inside this container. In fact, what I did, once it was halfway empty, I cut a hole in the side of the jug, put it in there. That way I don't have to worry about unused soap in that container. And like, let's say I want to go from this multi-purpose pressure wash solution to maybe a car wash solution. That way I don't have to worry about switching out or any of that. But I've got to say, I'm very impressed both with the pressure washer and with this horizontal cleaning attachment. Good for concrete and asphalt as well as wooden decks. You saw it here, folks. Very impressed.